So today I will be solving some problems in which we have to find that the problem will be symmetric, transitive or reflexive. So in first I will prove that the relation R on the set A 1, 2, 3 given as R will be equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 3 is reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. So it will be 1, 2, 3 belongs to A and 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R. That is small a will be belong to capital A, so R is reflexive. We have proved. So as in secondly we have to prove that it is not symmetric. So as we observe here, 1, 2 belongs to R but 2, 1 doesn't belongs to R. So it is not an symmetric. Not symmetric. Thirdly, we have to show that it is not transitive. So here 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 belongs to R, but 1, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, not transitive. So it is done. So in second it is given that relation R on set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defined as R is equal to x, y such that y will be divisible by x. So R can be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So as we know that x is divisible by x for all x belongs to A. Therefore bracket x comma x will be belonging to R for all x belongs to A. Therefore R will be reflexive. Second, we will be proved that it is symmetric or not. So here 1, 2 belongs to R but 2, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Now we have to say that it is transitive or not. So here 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 4 belongs to R. Therefore 1, 4 belongs to R. Therefore it is transitive. It's transitive. So in third, we have to see that relation R on set Z of all integer defined as R equal to x comma y such that x minus y is an integer. As we have x minus x equal to 0, which is an integer, which is an integer for all x belong to z. So here x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to z. So here R is reflexive. So secondly, we will be finding that it is symmetric or not. So here let x comma y belongs to R. So that implies x minus y is an integer lambda. So that implies y minus x equal to minus lambda, because lambda belongs to z, so minus lambda also belongs to z. So here y minus x is an integer. So y comma x belongs to R. So x comma y belongs to R. So y comma x belongs to R for all x comma y belongs to z. So R is an symmetric. We will be proving that it is transitive. So let x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R. So here x minus y and y minus z are integers. So x minus y plus y minus z is also an integer, because sum of two integer is an integer. Therefore x minus z is an integer. So x comma z belongs to R, therefore R is transitive.